I'm gonna do a fast review on this Prime samples. Amazon gives out samples, and I brought the nutrition one, and I paid $6.99. And the good thing about it, they let you try the samples, and they'll give you back the $6.99 or whatever you pay as a credit onto buying one of the samples they gave you products. Well, today came in, as you can see, Amazon sample. Let's open this up and check what it has. All right. First, I'm gonna start off with this. It's a Prime sample card. It's pretty cool. Basically, Prime samples, thank you. You know. So now we're gonna start off with, it's like a sleeping pill. As you can see, comes a little sample of 5 milligrams. Is strawberry. Then they give you these Smarty Pants, and they also give you $2 off. Pretty cool. They give you a vanilla flavor protein shake, little bag. Pretty cool. They give you a chocolate chip flavor cookie. You have also a booster powder. It helps inflammation, brain support, and heart. You have a Luna Rica, a chocolate peanut butter bar. And these are all samples they send you. Now we have hair, skin, nail gummies. We have another, like a granola bar, is less than 1 gram of sugar, 14 grams of fiber, a Quest bar, chocolate chip cookie dough, nice size bar. And now, final thing that's in there is a C4 on the go fruit punch. Most likely I will buy more of these. Comes in a nice little small bottle. And hey, you can't go wrong because everything here is free, and also, you know, like they give you this, I pay $6.99, they give it back to you as a credit, as a sample credit. They also got colognes. Check it out. It's Amazon samples. It's amazing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Give you 10 things for $6.99 to try, and hopefully you like one of them. And if you do, you have the $6.99 in your account. You only can use it for the products that's in this box. You can't use it to buy a cell phone cover or anything like that. But it's pretty cool. Well, like and subscribe. Hopefully this help you in choosing what sample box you want. They have a couple. I think it's about like 7 or 8 sample boxes, probably less, something like that. I did a fast glance, and this one caught my eyes because I am trying to get healthy. I'm going to check these out, see which one I like, and order them. Well, like and subscribe. Thank you.